You heard it right. You can study in Europe with just your Waec or Neco results and no JAMB and no A level. Just direct BSc admission. You want to find out? Then come with me. Now watch this video and stick to the very end. And make sure that you are with your pen and your paper. You're jotting everything in this video down, so don't miss out. In this video, I will show you where and what the requirements are and how to apply step by step. Let's go. So now, countries that accept Waec and Neco. We have several European countries now that accept Waec or Neco as valid qualification for undergraduate programs. And the top options that you should consider is Hungary. Now, they accept direct BSc admission, no JAMB, no A level. And also in UK, that's the United Kingdom. Some universities like Wolverhampton, Coventry, and Hertfordshire, they accept Neco, Waec for direct BSc entry, and especially for business-related courses. And some others may require a 6-month foundation year. Can they note that some universities require study gap not to exceed 3 to 5 years after Waec or Neco. So that means to say that some universities they require your study gap. Make sure that it is not more than 3 to 5 years that you might have done your Neco or your Waec before getting to apply to that university. And also, the thing that you should also note is that they also have something they call age limits. Generally, applicants should not be more than 35 years. So even though you're applying, please make sure that you're not more than 35 years before you apply, so that your money will not go to a waste. So now, what do you need, or what do you need to apply? We have typical requirements, and this includes your Waec or Neco results with at least 5 credits, including English and Maths. You also need your valid international passport. You need your motivational letter. Why do you want to study the course? That is what should be. This is your reason. That's for the motivational letter. We have the reference letter, either from your teacher or from your mentor. We have applications fee, which starts from €150. Some schools in Hungary charge up to €280, just depending. We also have proof of funds. That is your bank statement, your sponsorship letter. Make sure it is available. We have your passport sized photo. And also, lastly, you should have, because some universities may require an online interview. So you should get ready for an online interview. Put that at the corner, in one corner of your mind. So you don't need JAMB or SAT, just the right document and the right school. That's all you need. You don't need your JAMB, you don't need your SAT. You just need the right document and the right school. And the tuition fee vary depending on the country and school. And here is a quick guide. For Hungary, we have €4,000 to €6,000 yearly. And for Spain, with Waec or Neco, you can apply for a 1-year diploma program. And that is to say that some schools offer partial scholarship for high-performing students or early applicants. And also, most of these countries allow part-time work while studying. And application tips is, make sure that you ensure that your results are verified, because some schools require official Waec verification. Also, if applying to Hungary, always contact the international office. They are usually very helpful, very, very helpful. Make sure you keep contacting them. And also, lastly, avoid fake agents. Fake agents are everywhere. Fake agents are everywhere. So that you're not going to give your money to the wrong person. Take note of this valid information I'm about to pass across to you. So you can apply by yourself by visiting our portal at www.collegemigration.com, and also picking the school of your choice or sending us a DM via WhatsApp. That's to +61413 636 I repeat again, but WhatsApp is +61413 And so, yes, it's 100% possible to study in Europe with just your Waec or your results, or your Neco. No JAMB, no A levels, no stress. All you need is the right information, and that is why I am here, or we are here. Want a free list schools that accept Waec or Neco in Spain, Hungary, or UK? Now, all you need to do is to check out on the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to someone who is ready to take up this next step, then take. Please do not forget to subscribe so that you can get more videos to you and from us. So that'll be the end of today's episode from College Migration TV. Just like I have just said, make sure that you subscribe, keep on liking, keep on commenting, and keep on sharing to people, more and more people who would like to see this valid video. I am your beautiful host, Favor Ifai, popularly known as QOP. Do not forget to also follow us on our social, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and then Twitter. See you in the next episode. Do not go nowhere. Bye for now.